you wanna play with me? You know I'm undefeated. A real hot girl know how to keep a nigga heated. You say you want respect, well treat me how you wanna be treated. You told me to keep it real, but you don't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this lip kit that I've been telling you guys about. So yeah, I just want to start talking about a few things about this company before I show you guys the lip kit. So the name of this company is called LUSCIOUS by Lisa. It's actually a company based in Nigeria, although they have distributors in other parts of the world like in UK, in US, and all that. So I'm also going to insert a screenshot of the distributors page as well as the company's page, so that if you guys are interested in purchasing any of their lip kits, you can as well get them from any of their distributors if you don't want to order it from Nigeria itself. So if you don't want to pay for all that shipping from Nigeria, you can as well just order from any of their distributors. So yeah, let me just start showing you guys what this lip kit looks like. So right now I don't have anything on my lips right now, so I just want to show you guys the process and everything about this lip kit. So this package came via DHL, as y'all can see. Okay, so it came via DHL, and when I opened the DHL packaging, it just looked like this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the company name, LUSCIOUS by Lisa, that's the company name. So, and also they have different packaging, so if you order from the company, yours might not come in this particular packaging. So I just wanted to point that out, but this is how mine came. It looks like this, LUSCIOUS by Lisa. And then when I open this up, I get, can you all see how beautiful this packaging is? Look at that. Okay, so LUSCIOUS by Lisa. Okay, and then it just came like this. So I already went on to open the DHL packaging already. So yeah, it came like this, and all you just need to do is unravel this bow. Okay, so yeah, and then it has a magnetic whatever to it. So yeah, one thing I want to say is they have different types of lip kits. This is their normal lip kit. Okay, they also have the one that they call the premium lip kit also, but that one is for people that are battling with very dark lips. Like for example, if you're a smoker or anything like that, and then your lips are very dark, so they recommend the premium kit for people like that. So yeah, but this is the normal kit. Okay, so when I open the packaging, what I have in here, as y'all can see, is their lip gloss, the lip scrub, as well as the lip balm. So they claim that their lip scrub is edible, and we're gonna see. So yeah, this is the packaging for the lip scrub. As you can see, look, this packaging, you guys, is so unique. Perhaps that's why their name is LUSCIOUS, cause it's chic, it's classy, it's everything. So yeah, this is the edible lip scrub. So I'm going to open this up for you guys, and then it just looks like this. Okay, so yeah, and the fragrance, you guys, I can already tell this is a sugar scrub. So let me show you guys the lip cream and then the lip gloss before I apply it on my lips for y'all to see. Okay, this is what the lip balm looks like. Okay, it comes in this packaging. All right, so, and then it also comes like this, just like the lip scrub. Okay, so LUSCIOUS by Lisa, as y'all can see. All right, so when I open this up, so yeah, this is what the lip balm looks like. Okay, I've already been using this, so that's why it's a little bit messy in there, but when you order yours, it comes with a white lid cover, so don't be too worried about that. Okay, and then this is the lip gloss. So they have different colors. This is the, I believe this is the pink lip gloss. Yeah, and it looks like this. The packaging is just alright guys, so now I'm going to show you guys like a demo of me applying this product. Okay, so if you want to see how this product apply on my lips, then please keep on watching. Okay. So as y'all can see the transformation on my lips right now, y'all can see how pink and luscious my lips are looking. Okay, so as soon as you put the pink lip gloss, it just automatically just turns your lips pink. Okay, so yeah, that's what I've been doing in all my recent videos. I actually don't put on lipstick as such anymore. I just use this and then good to go. So yeah guys, y'all can see the transformation. If y'all want this, please hook them up on Instagram. Okay, the name of the company is LUSCIOUS by Lisa. Like I said, I'm going to keep the Instagram page of this company, so when you contact them, whatever country you're in, if they have any distributor there, they will refer you to their distributors. But then if they don't have, they can as well ship to you. Okay, so yeah, so you guys, make sure you go follow them on Instagram and check out their Instagram page. They have tons of reviews from people there. Okay, so yeah. So yeah guys, that concludes this video. So finally guys, I've told you guys everything that you need to know about this company, so please go check them out. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you for the likes, the comments, everything. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, okay, because I'm your baby girl, remember. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.